Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select system, which is the last tab, and then go to date and time. Here you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch it off by tapping on off, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone by tapping on this switcher, and then you can choose it from the following list. So just select the one that you would like to apply, click on it, and that's it. It has been changed. Finally, you can change the format of your clock. Simply tap here to change 24-hour format clock to 12-hour format clock. And that would be all. So you can set up date and time in your device. If you would like to go back to automatic setup, simply tap on those switchers and then pick automatic date and time. Just pick if you would like to have it network provided or GPS provided. And I do recommend network provided time, date and time, and that will be all. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.